So I'm just going to walk through this exercise and show you how to complete it. So our first step is to make a B14 active. Go ahead and do that. And insert a formula that finds the average of the range B4 through B8. Okay, well, we're actually going to insert a function. And we're going to insert the average function, and it kind of guesses the wrong range of cells. So what we have to do is left drag over the correct range and press enter. And we'll go to our next instruction. Copy the formula in B14 to C14 through E14. So we're going to click on that result, position over the fill handle, and we'll drag across, and they want us to stop at E14. Make cell B15 active, and insert a formula that finds the maximum quarterly revenue of B4 through B8. So we're going to use the max function for this. And it does guess incorrectly as far as the range. So we're going to left drag over the correct range of cells, press enter, and we'll click on next. And now it wants us to copy that function across. So I'm going to click on it, grab the fill handle, and drag it across. Make cell B16 active, and insert a formula that finds the minimum quarterly revenue. So we're going to use the min function, and it guesses wrong regarding the range, so we're going to left drag over the correct range of cells, press enter, and we'll click back up on that cell, position over the fill handle, and drag across. Oops. I actually went one step further than I should have, so now we're supposed to drag across. So we're going to continue. Select the range F4 through F8 and name that range total rev. So F4 through F8 we're going to highlight. We're going to click up on the name box, and we're going to call it total rev. Make cell B18 active and insert a formula that finds the average of the totals in the total rev range. All right, so we're going to activate B18. We're going to key in equal average, and then we're going to key in total rev. And I could double click on that as well. The minute you see the tip display, or the little hint, you can double click on it. But that is what we want, so I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And now they want us to activate B20 and name that cell min target. So we're going to come down here to B20, and we're going to call this min target. Make cell B21 active and calculate the amount under target the quarter's total revenue is. Oh, to see how far under target the total revenue is by entering the if formula. Okay, so this is going to be a fun one. So we're going to enter equal if. And they're basically telling us what to type, so this isn't going to be too bad. We're going to key in min target, which is right here, so I'm going to double click on that. If B10 is less than min target, comma, that's the condition. Then if it's true, we're going to take B10 and subtract min target. And if it's false, we're just going to enter a 0 into the cell. And I'm going to press enter. Copy the if formula in B21 to the range C21 through E21. So we're going to click on that and we're just going to drag it across. Make cell B23 active and then format the date in the cell to display as, looks like a single-digit month, two-digit day, and a two-digit year. So come down to B23 and let's see, click here. We'll go down to more number formats. And they want this one. Single digit day, two-digit month, two-digit year. Make cell B24 active and then insert a formula that adds 350 days to the date in B23. Activating B24. So basically we're going to do an equal sign. We're going to click on B23, key in a plus for addition, type 350, and press enter. Change the page orientation to landscape. So we'll go to page layout, and we're going to go into orientation and select landscape. Change the top margin to 1.5 and center the worksheet horizontally. All right, so we got a couple steps here. So we're going to have to go into custom margins, and they want 1.5 for the top. And then, let's see if we can find that other, oh, there it is, same box. Center on page, we're going to choose horizontally. And then we're going to click OK. Display the worksheet in page layout view. All right, so down here where our views are, we can go into page layout. We could also go into the view ribbon and go into page layout there. So two different ways to get here. Create a header that prints the name, Julian Barber, at the left margin, and the current date at the right. So we want to make sure we spell Julian's name correctly. And then we want the current date over here on the right. And let's click next. Create a footer that prints the file name in the bottom center. So down here where we have the footer, we're going to click in the center. So into design and file name. Okay, and then we'll kind of click away. And let's check our answer.